Yes, so let us get into the discussion. I mean, the training session. So maybe this slide you can leave it. So there's a solution from Sony India side. What we offer in the AV domain. Of course, you must be knowing our Sony consumer Bravia televisions and our headphones, our speaker systems, and our car audio, our PlayStation. These products are very popularly known in the consumer side. And on the professional side of it, we have these products. We have business projectors, and we have our home cinema projectors, and we have professional Bravia displays also. So let us discuss about the professional Bravia. So the first question, when you are meeting a customer and telling them that Sony has got the commercial TV or the professional Bravia display, they must be asking, and definitely many of you also keep asking me, consumer TV க்கும் commercial TV க்கும் என்ன சார் டிஃபரன்ஸ், ப்ரொஃபஷனல் டிவிக்கும் ரெகுலரா ரீட்டைல் அவுட்லெட்ல கிடைக்கிற டிவிக்கு என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு கொஸ்டின் ரொம்ப காமனா வரும். ஆக்சுவலா டிஃபரன்ஸ் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, ஒரு இது ரெண்டு விதமா சொல்லலாம். யூஸ்வலா கமர்ஷியல் டிவிங்கிற டேர்ம் இந்த மார்க்கெட்ல இருக்கிறதுக்கு மற்ற நம்மளோட காம்படிட்டர்ஸ் எர்லியரா அவங்க 10 இயர்ஸ் 12 இயர்ஸ் நம்மளுக்கு முன்னாடியே வந்து இந்த மார்க்கெட்ல சேல் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க ப்ரொஃபஷனல் டிஸ்பிளேஸ். அவங்களோட சைட்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா கன்சூமர் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ்ங்கிறது தனியா இருக்கும், கமர்ஷியல் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ்ங்கிறது தனியா இருக்கும். தனியா மீன்ஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் மாடலை நான் சொல்லல, இன்க்ளூடிங் த ஃபீச்சர்ஸ், த குவாலிட்டி அண்ட் த டெக்னாலஜி இட்செல்ஃப் ரெண்டுக்குமே ஹியூஜ் டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கும். பட் சோனியை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் whatever the technology which has been provided in the consumer side, அதே quality are retained in the professional Bravia side also, display quality பொறுத்த வரைக்கும். But on top of it, we have added the professional features to make it as a professional display. ஸோ Bravia வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம வீட்டு யூஸ்க்கு இருக்கும். அதில் டிவி டியூனர் வரும். இந்த பழைய நம்ம கேபிள் டிவியில் வர டியூனரை மாட்டும் இல்லைங்களா, சேனல் மாற்றும் இல்லையா. பட் டுடே ஈவன் அதுவுமே நிறைய பேர் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது கிடையாது. எல்லாமே செட்டா பாக்ஸ்க்கு போயிட்டாங்க. ஜஸ்ட் HDMI அவுட்புட் எடுத்து யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. இல்லைன்னா they are going with the OTT applications platform, Amazon, Netflix அந்த மாதிரி ஹாட்ஸ்டார் மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ டிவி டியூனர் இதில் இருக்காது. ரெண்டாவது அடிஷ்னலா இதில் வந்து லேண்ட்ஸ்கேப்போ போர்ட்ரேட்டோ டில்ட் பண்ணி இன்ஸ்டலேஷன்.
Voice is muted, sir.
Oh, it got muted in between. Sorry. Is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ரொம்ப நேரமா மியூட்ல இருந்ததா என்ன?
No, sir. Actually, it was audible.
2 seconds, sir. 2 seconds.
No, sir.
Seconds.
Beginning of the screen.
Yes.
You have muted.
Is it clear, sir, now?
Yeah, clear.
Yes. So on top of that, இதுல வந்து இந்த லேண்ட்ஸ்கேப்ல நீங்க இன்ஸ்டலேஷன் பண்றது ரெகுலரா, அதே மாதிரி போர்ட்ரேட்ல வெர்டிகலா இன்ஸ்டலேஷன் பண்றது, டில்டடா இன்ஸ்டலேஷன் பண்றதுலாம் நம்ம கன்சூமர் டிவில வந்து we will say it is not advisable, it is not designed for that kind of application. And 24/7 reliable operations பாசிபிள் நம்மளோட டெலிவிஷன்ஸ்ல இந்த ப்ரொஃபஷனல் Bravia டிஸ்பிளேஸ்ல. இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம கஸ்டமர்ஸ்ட சொல்லும் போதே சொல்றது என்ன, ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ட் லெவலுக்காக இன்னைக்கு நீங்க வாங்கி 3 வருஷம் சுவிட்ச் ஆஃப் பண்ணாமலே 24/7 365 days into 3 years கண்டினியூஸா யூஸ் பண்ணாலே நாங்க வாரண்டியில கவர் பண்றோம். தட் மீன்ஸ் அந்த அளவுக்கு ரிலையபிளான காம்போனன்ட்ஸை வச்சு இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்டை தயாரிச்சிருக்காங்க. ஸோ தட் இஸ் அ ரிலையபிலிட்டி பார்ட் ஆஃப் இட். ரெண்டாவது இந்த ப்ரோ செட்டிங்ஸ்ங்கிறதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா we will explain you what are all the pro settingsங்கிறது இருக்கு. ப்ரோ செட்டிங்ஸ்ல என்னென்னலாம் இருக்கு, என்னென்னலாம் பண்ண முடியும், ஆல் த ப்ரொஃபஷனல் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் ஆர் இன் த ப்ரோ செட்டிங்ஸ் மோட். அண்ட் பிக்சர் குவாலிட்டி பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் அந்த 178 டிகிரி வியூவிங் ஆங்கிள் உங்களுக்கு இருக்கும். அண்ட் ஆன்டி ரெஃப்ளெக்ஷன் டீப் பிளாக் கோட்டிங்கும் நம்ம இந்த ப்ரொஃபஷனல் டிஸ்பிளேஸ்ல கொடுத்துருப்போம். ஸோ இப்போதைக்கு நம்மள்ட்ட கரண்டா இருக்க லைனப்ல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have 4 lineup. I think most of you are aware. Still I will insist on that. நம்மளோட BZ30Lங்கிறது பேசிக் சீரிஸ். தட் மீன்ஸ் இன்னைக்கு இருக்கிற கரண்ட் செட்டப்ல BZ30Lங்கிறது 440 nits உள்ள மாடல்ஸ் 24/7 தான். இங்க இருக்கிற 4 சீரீஸுமே BZ30L, 35L, 40L, 50L 4 சீரீஸுமே 24/7 ரிலையபிள் தான். இதுல BZ30Lங்கிறது 440 nits பிரைட்னஸ்ல வருது. 43ல இருந்து 85 வரைக்கும் 43, 50, 55, 65, 75 and 85 வரைக்கும் we have sizes in this category. So முன்னாடி வந்து 75 வரைக்கும் தான் இருந்துச்சு 30J இருக்கும்போது. Now we have enhanced with 85 also in the 440 nits segment. உள்ள டீடைல் என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம் அடுத்து போகும்போது. 35Lங்கிறது wherein சில customers placesல very high bright environmentல semi outdoor kind of a corridor kind of areaல போடும்போது if they want to feel that 440 nits it is not sufficient எனக்கு இன்னும் brightness வேணும்னா we have another lineup with 550 nits. அதுல கொஞ்சம் இன்டர்னல் ஸ்டோரேஜ் அதிகமா இருக்கும். 440 nitsல எல்லாமே 16 GB ஸ்டோரேஜ் இருக்கும். 550 nits மாடல்ல 32 GB ஸ்டோரேஜ் இருக்கும். அதுல we have 3 models 55, 65 and 75. And when we go up into the lineup we have BZ40L series. BZ40L series என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா it has come with a high haze. Hazeங்கிறது the surface treatment. அதாவது நோ ரெஃப்ளெக்ஷன். இப்போ நீங்க ஒரு மீட்டிங் ரூம்லயோ போர்ட் ரூம்லயோ கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் ரூம்லயோ ஒரு டிவி இன்ஸ்டலேஷன் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்கன்னா சைடில் அதோட விண்டோல பிளைண்ட்ஸ்ல இருந்து அந்த ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் வந்து டிவியில பட்டு ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் ஆகுறதோ சைட்ல சென்டரா உட்காந்து பாக்குறவங்களுக்கு தெரியாம இருக்கிறதோ இல்ல சீலிங் லைட்ஸோட ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன்ஸ் வர்றதோ ஓவர் லைட்டிங் இருக்கிறதோட ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் வர்றதோ இதுல கம்ப்ளீட்டா இருக்காது. திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் டீப் பிளாக் நான் கிளேர் கோட்டிங். ஸோ தெர் ஆர் 2-3 aspects இருக்கு அதுல. நான் கிளேர் கோட்டிங் சொல்லுவாங்க, ஆன்டி கிளேர் கோட்டிங் சொல்லுவாங்க. இது எல்லாத்தையுமே வந்து டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணி காமிக்கிறேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட்ல நான் உங்களுக்கு காமிக்கிறேன் நான். அண்ட் இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 700 and 780 nitsல வருது. ஸோ ஒன் மாடல் அரௌண்ட் 780 nitsல வரும், மற்ற மாடல் 700 nitsல இருக்கு பீக் பிரைட்னஸ்ல. திஸ் கேன் கோ அப் டு 1500 nits ஆல்சோ. இந்த பிரைட்னஸ் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 700 nits இஸ் அ டிபிக்கல் நிட்ஸ். 55 to 85 வரைக்கும். 98 வந்து இஸ் அகெயின் 7 அந்த மாடல் இதை சேர்த்துருக்கிறதுனால கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகிக்க வேணாம். 98 இஸ் அகெயின் செப்பரேட் சீரிஸ் 50L. 40L பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் we have 55, 65, 75, 85. The advantage in this model will be it is high brightness 700 nits, 32 GB storage இருக்கும், complete deep black non glare coating ஓட வந்திருக்கு displays. Corporateல almost the entire European market is now shifted towards this high haze models. And top of it we have our 98 inches with BZ50L series which has got 780 nits typical brightness and it can shoot up to 1500 nits because it is a full array television. This is our flagship model. So this is our lineup and this is the comparison in terms of within our own lineup what are the differences. So you have 43, 50, 55, 43 to 85 in 30L, all IPS panel, only 50 and 85 is a VA panel. Haze percentage is less and this is a regular display what other competitors also offering. Of course, portrait and tilt mode is possible in all the category. All of them are 24/7. Pro settings are available in all the category of the models. Here the major difference comes in the terms of brightness. 440 nits, 550 nits, 700 nits, 780 nits. And the other major differentiating factor is the haze percentage. The higher the haze, better the, it will not have a reflection or a glare. Sonyயோட ப்ரோ பிராவியா டிஸ்பிளேஸை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் இஃப் யூ ஹேவ் டு ஒரு காம்போவா சொல்லணும்னா it has got the best of consumer technologies. I would also say to have an idea, give an idea, our other competitors which they are selling in the market, they are also very good in terms of picture quality. They have also drastically improved in their R&D and their output and the technology what they offer to their customers. But the question is, are they offering the similar technology and the similar quality product in the commercial side, on the corporate side? On கேட்டிங்கன்னா there is a big no. The plasma televisions அப்புறம் வந்தது, I think most of you are aware of this. Maybe I can show you this.
Rajat, can you show the comparison slide once again, please?
Yeah, I'll just do it. Yeah, one second, wait. This one.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Yeah. So I was just trying to tell you the technology behind your backlit, which actually we all should know. If not the customer, at least we should know. Second. Yes, this is what I would like to show you also. Is the screen visible? On the right hand side, the picture, is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah, see, the first
Yes,
one
sir.
is called the Edge LED. This was the technology after the plasma televisions. But today, all of the TVs are LCD only, but the backlit technology is only LED. That is why we are calling it as LED televisions. These are all only on the edges, they will have the backlit. This is the second one is called the direct LED, where you have got a LED backstrip on the almost every zone. And the last one is called the full array television. Full array LED, the LED strips are more, very tiny, complete area is covered. The difference என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, இங்க first pictureல center of the portionல ஒரு dark image ஒரு bright image கொடுக்கணும்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். They can control the lighting with only இந்த ஓரத்துல வச்சிருக்க இந்த ஒரே ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரிப்போட LED வச்சு மட்டும்தான் சென்டர்ல இருக்க லைட்டோட குவாலிட்டியோ கலரோட டெப்த்தையோ அவங்களால மாத்த முடியும். பட் வேற டைரக்ட் எல்இடில எந்த ஜோன்ல லைட் ஆஃப் பண்ணணுமோ அந்த ஜோன்ல லைட் ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுவாங்க, ஆஃப் ஆயிரும். எந்த ஜோன் லைட் ஓப்பன் ஆகணுமோ அந்த ஜோன் லைட் மட்டும் ஓப்பன் ஆகும். இதனால என்ன ஆகும்னா பெட்டர் குவாலிட்டி கிடைக்கும். மற்ற இடம் டீப் பிளாக்கா இருக்கும், ஒரு மாதிரி ஒயிட்டிஷா இருக்காது ஸ்கிரீனு. ஃபுல் அரேல போனீங்கன்னா இன்னும் பெட்டர். அது பிக்சல் டு பிக்சல் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் எந்த பிக்சல் ஓப்பன் ஆகணும் எந்த பிக்சல் க்ளோஸ் ஆகணுங்கிற அளவுக்கு மைன்யூட்டா கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணும் லைட்டிங். ஸோ இது ஒரு ஃபீச்சரா குவாலிட்டி வைஸ். இன்னொரு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஃபீச்சர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இப்போ இமேஜின் ஒரு அவங்க 350 நெட் சொல்றாங்க, 500 நெட் சொல்றாங்க, 700 நெட் சொல்றாங்க. இந்த காம்படிஷன்னா எவ்வளோ பிரைட்னஸ் பண்ணாலும் அவங்கள்ட்ட இருக்க இந்த ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரிப்பை வச்சு தான் பர்ன் பண்ணணும். யோசிச்சு பாருங்க, ஒரு 24/7 கமர்ஷியல் அப்ளிகேஷன்ல கண்டினியூஸா இதை ஒரே ஸ்ட்ரிப் பர்ன் ஆகிட்டே இருந்துச்சுன்னா இதோட லைட்டோட டிட்டோரியேஷனும் சீக்கிரம் ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். 1 இயர்ல இருந்தே அதோட டிட்டோரியேஷன் பிரைட்னஸ் கொஞ்சம் டல்லாக ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். பட் வேரின் இந்த டைரக்ட் எல்இடி மாதிரி டெலிவிஷன், ஃபுல் அரே மாதிரி டெலிவிஷன்ல அது லோடு ஈக்குவலா ஷேர் ஆகுறதுனால அந்த டிட்டோரியேஷனை நம்ம ஃபீல் பண்ண மாட்டோம். பட் சோனியை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் வி ஆஃபர் டைரக்ட் எல்இடி. இந்த சென்டர்ல இருக்குங்க இல்லைங்களா, இன் ஆல் அவர் மாடல் வி ஆஃபர் டைரக்ட் எல்இடி. இன் அவர் டாப் எண்ட் மாடல் in 98 series inches we offer our full array televisions. So this is the difference that makes, but still our competitors are selling edge LED in the market in the commercial side of it. It is not that they don't have, அவங்கள்ட்ட இது இல்லைங்கிறது கிடையாது. அவங்கள்ட்டையும் டைரக்ட் எல்இடி இருக்கு, ஃபுல் அரே எல்இடி இருக்கு. கன்சூமர் சைட்ல கொடுப்பாங்க, பட் கமர்ஷியல் சைட்ல வரும்போது they will restrict to the edge LED. So this is the important feature that I wanted to tell you. Consumer televisions, Sony Bravia la என்னென்ன குவாலிட்டி நம்ம ப்ராசஸர்ல இருந்து XR இருக்கட்டும், X1 ப்ராசஸரா இருக்கட்டும், நம்மளோட சோனியோட 60-70 இயர்ஸ் டெவலப் பண்ண கோர் டெக்னாலஜிஸா இருக்கட்டும், எல்லாமே that is passed on to the professional Bravia also. On top of it, we have this professional technology features, 24/7 portrait, IP TVs, professional solution, powerful professional mode, low failure rate because the reliability is high, eco-friendly. And also the 3 years warranty. The consumer side we offer 1 year warranty. In the professional side we offer 3 years warranty, and extended warranty support also we are offering. So on all this combination, the professional Bravia becomes a more robust and more advantageous product for the corporate side and the professional side of it. Picture quality talk much. Maybe I will talk about this haze. Today tomorrow this is going to be the already I was telling you the European market has shifted towards majoritarily towards this no reflection, anti-reflection, high haze models. In our country also, it will slowly pick up, and already many corporate customers started asking, and you can also go and pitch this. See, நம்ம போறோம் ஒரு கார்ப்பரேட்டுக்கு போறோம், சார் டிஸ்பிளே இருக்கா ரெக்யர்மெண்ட் கேட்கறத விட, சார் புதுசா ஒரு டெக்னாலஜி வந்திருக்கு சார் சோனில, உங்களோட போர்ட் ரூம்ல மீட்டிங் ரூம்ல பெரிய பெரிய எம்டி சேர்பர்சன் சேர்மன் லெவல்ல வந்து உட்காந்துருப்பாங்க. எல்லாம் 50-60 இயர்ஸ் ஓல்டு ஏஜ் பீப்புளா இருப்பாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு சீலிங் லைட்டோ சைட்ல இருந்து வர விண்டோல இருக்க லைட்டோ வச்சுட்டு அவங்க குடிஞ்சு நிமிந்து, இதெல்லாம் லிட்டரல் ஒரு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். எனக்கு ஒரு கஸ்டமரை தே ஹவ் டோல்ட், தி ஐடி ஹெட் ஹவ் டோல்ட் மீ, எங்களோட சீனியர் பீப்புள் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் பீப்புள்லாம் வந்து பார்க்கும்போது தே சம்டைம் ஃபீல் டிஃபிகல்ட் டு ரீட் அவுட் த நம்பர்ஸ், அதில் இருக்க ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் ஆகலான்னு சொல்லிட்டு திஸ் இஸ் ரியல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஃபார் மீ ஆல்சோ. So there is something has come sir. நீங்க மத்த இடத்துக்குலாம் ரெகுலர் டிஸ்ப்ளே போனீங்கனாலும் உங்களோட இம்பார்ட்டன்டான பிளேசஸ்க்கு, போர்ட் ரூம், மீட்டிங் ரூம், மேயர், யுவர் சேர்பர்சன், போர்ட் மெம்பர்ஸ்லாம் வந்து மீட் பண்ற ரூமுக்கு you can go for this and you can position this. So the corporates are willing to spend, and we are seeing the trend also in selling. Sony's high haze model is not just the haze, also the low reflection and high picture quality. இது இன்னொன்று பார்த்தீங்கன்னா காம்படிட்டர்ஸ் இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இருக்க ரெண்டுமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இருக்க மாடல் காம்படிட்டரோட மாடல். அதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஹேஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, ஹேஸ் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, ஆன்டி கிளர் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. இதுல ஒரு பெரிய பிரச்சனை என்னன்னா, நீங்க இந்த ஹேஸ் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட், ஆன்டி கிளர் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் ஒரு சர்ஃபேஸ்ல பண்ணீங்கனாலே ஒரு வகையில அது பிக்சர் குவாலிட்டி வந்து டிட்டோரேட் பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கும். So that will have a what you say, the quality will be slightly deteriorated when the surface is coated. That's a fate of it. This is a typical example of a product of a competitor which has got anti-glare. And the second one is that the current Bravia, though the reflections are less, but still you are able to see the remote which is kept on the table. The third one, the new Bravia BZ40L series, the professional Bravia 40L series, has got anti-glare also, low reflection also. When you treat the surface, your brightness tend to go down. So you have to manage your brightness also. That is why these are coming with 700 nits brightness. And also, typically, we have shown this demo also to many of the customers when we had the experience, demo in launch in the every location, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, everywhere. We have kept the products next to next, and we have also shown the non-reflective feature of it. So this is going to be the talk of the town, and many partners and many customers are already aware of it. So please start pitching and taking as a tool to talk to your customer. This is my request. And that's what anti-glare, no reflection. You can see this current B2B Bravia. This is the reflection also available, anti-glare also not there. Competitor haze model, anti-glare yes, but the low reflection is not, still the reflection is visible. High-end, our consumer Bravia also, there this remains. But with the new 40L series, I'm completely very less reflection. And the competitors are offering maximum up to 25% haze, but wherein we have 47% haze in other models, and one model in 85, we have got about 57% haze. And when it comes to the keywords for the professional Bravia, installation flexibility, the B2B operational usability, and the picture quality. And as I told you, the portrait and tilt modes are all possible. 24/7, 7 days a week, continuous operations such as airport, restaurants, wherever the usage are very heavy, they can use this. And pro settings are there. In the pro setting, you can disable lock the display, disable the remote, the key buttons, and you can also enable only these apps to be opened. And what and all you want to do as a controlling, the kind of a parental controlling is this is a high-end version of controlling system wherein you can disable all the apps. You can enable only whatever you wanted to give it to the client. So all the features are available. Picture quality, I no need to talk much. And still with this regular displays also, we have got 178-degree viewing angle. The brightness, the major market is operating at 350 nits today, and we are at 440 nits. So the brightness is also one of the advantage. Color reproduction, I told you, because of a direct LED, and Sony Bravia and our X1 processor, all our technology embedded into the Sony Bravia display, producing the better quality output to the clients. How this is achieved? The technologies behind the super picture quality of Sony Professional Bravia. One is the processor. We have Sony X1 4K HDR processor in all our displays except the 98 inches. 98 inches has come with a flagship XR technology, XR display, what do we call it as XR chip. So other than that, we have got 4K X reality, clarity. Triluminous is one of the major, people using TV those days now that they used to call them some kind of a Trinitron and all. These are all developed from those technologies, the triluminous displays and the vivid color triluminous, all enhancing the display to produce a better quality. And I'm telling you today, the customers are no more only looking at the cheaper product or the less priced product also. There are customers to spend money. If you're looking for automobile industry, Chennai is an automobile hub. Many companies will have a CAD diagrams and discussions and on their war room, on their product design room, on their regular meeting rooms. Do you think that they mind spending 10%, 15% extra on a display for the quality what they have supposed to have it? Because they make money in $1 billion. They make money, they make a production in huge volume, right? So there are customers, even the jewelry shops, wherever the food industry. So wherever the quality is important, so definitely those customers are ready to spend. And we have got a vivid color mode and the customized color modes also available. So this is the typical example of how the deep black non-glare coating is worked. So this is for the first left top is with the low reflection coating. I think we start from the bottom left. No glare coating, no reflection coating. The upper one is got a low reflection coating, but still the glare is there. And if you see non-glare coating alone, the reflection is not there. That is also giving a different quality. But with the non-glare coating, no reflection, this is available in the market. This is what our 40L series talks about. And the viewing angle, again, I've told you, 178°. And in our models, we have got for 30L series, we have got what do you say, 16 GB. Approximately about 8 to 9 GB, 8 GB to 9 GB will go for the OS and other inbuilt apps. Maybe if you start using apps, then that apps might, maybe all are cloud based, that might take about another 9-8 GBs are available for the storage. And in the 35, 40, 50L series, we have got a 32 GB storage. And in the market, and nobody offers 32 GB, and almost our friends are offering only 16 GB as a maximum storage. And picture quality wise, these are the difference. Only 98 inches comes with the Exalt processor, balance all come with X1 processor. And when it comes to the connectivity, we have got two USB ports, one USB 3.1 and one USB 2.0. And we have got 4 HDMI ports on the sides. And out of 4, 1 will be EARC port. And we have got, as usual, the Ethernet IP port, and wireless LAN is also available. And remote RS-232 is available for the control features. And we have got audio out also in the jack, 3-pole jack. And yes, these are the outputs available on the side of the product. This is common for all the series. And the better picture quality of any display designed with these 3 parameters: contrast, clarity, and color. So this is the advantage of our X1 processor, which has got the extended color gamut and the clarity with the 4K Extra Reality Pro and extended dynamic range also available in our Bravia professional displays. And there is a feature called multi-display installation, wherein we can install, if you can refer this picture, the first black one, I'm keeping the cursor. You can install the 5 displays. By using our regular Bravia professional displays, you can make a video wall. You don't need to have a separate video wall. As long as the customers are not keen about the bezel size. If they are going to keep it on a longer distance and they do not have a budget for video wall, still they can go with this option. You can attach 5 displays vertically, 5 displays horizontally. Total 5x5 matrix of maximum of 25 displays can be merged together. And this is one of the example wherein the first one which you are seeing now, where this is kept together and the picture remains same for all the displays. This feature also available. And when it comes to the,
is it like video wall?
Yeah. This is like a video wall, but only the bezel size the customer has to bear it. But if they do not have a budget, or still they wanted to have a bigger picture, or the displays are going to be on the very bigger hall where in the corner on the long distance, the big bezel size doesn't matter. Still, this can be a solution on a cheaper side and the cost-effective side. This feature is built in
all the models.
Yeah, it supports all our models. Okay. Yeah. When it comes to the functionalities, we have got 3 type of wireless connectivity to our display. One is the regular screen mirroring, which is also available from our laptop. You can straight away directly communicate. So directly you can communicate through wirelessly, but we do not recommend to all our customers because today the bandwidth is also like that. So bandwidth and the Wi-Fi connectivity limitations are there. So we have got this Chromecast and AirPlay built in our professional Bravia displays. As long as the customer puts the display and the mobile phone or the display and the laptop on the same network, they can throw the data seamlessly. Even on a higher resolution file also can play without any buffering. So kind of a very real-time play you can have. So both the AirPlay and Chromecast is a built-in feature in all our displays. And the latest version of Bluetooth and the 5G wireless network is available. And when it comes to the Pro mode, so this is what in our display, there will be 3 modes. One is normal mode, Pro setting mode, Pro mode. In the normal mode, when the TV is in the normal mode, the complete options of a consumer TV will be available. Whatever the OTT apps and whatever the regular your operations are going to be there, it can remain as a regular TV. When you are keeping it in the pro mode, you are putting the television on a certain condition that you have to display this only. You have to display this only. You have to put this kind of, your output should be only, you can command on the pro mode. Whatever the display has to be given on the pro mode, for that, you can do all the settings on the pro setting mode. Maybe you can call it as a developer mode. So you can do the settings all on the pro mode. So these are the 3 modes available. Yes. So from normal mode,
Sorry
you
to
go to the
interrupt.
yeah.
Just repeat that pro setting and pro mode, please.
Yeah. See, the normal mode, the TV works as a television. I mean, display works as a regular TV. Okay, regular display. And when it goes to the, there are only 2 major modes. I would say pro setting is the in between one, and I think I can explain you here. Normal mode, the TV works as a normal TV, normal television, normal professional display. On the pro mode, it shows the, let's say, the signage or whatever you are intending to display, that only will come. Nobody will be able to change anything in the pro mode. If you are putting on the public area or a common area, this pro mode, you can use it. Pro mode, usually they put it on the pro mode. Whatever needs to be displayed on the pro mode, that settings can be made in pro setting mode. Simple as it is. Okay. And
Thank you.
Yeah. And the vertical in which these displays are going to be deployed, definitely, of course, corporate side of it, hotels, hotel, retail, and these are all the features available in that particular segment to address those customers' needs. The wake up on signal, power scheduling, and enabling a USB camera. You can see, I will also tell you this. If you go to any Android display, you will not have this Zoom or Teams or what do you say, any of this platform, any of this except Google Meet. Even our product has got a built-in Google Meet because it's a Google product. So you can just connect a USB camera and you can make it as a video conferencing device simply for a small meetings. If the customer cannot afford to have a bigger meeting, what do you say, a bigger video conferencing solution, they just can use a Google Meet. If they are going to, of course, many of them are not using Google Meet, they might use Teams or WebEx or Zoom. In that case, in Android, it is not available. It is available only for the mobile and the laptop. The handshake between the Android televisions and the, which is Google, Android, Google, and the Zoom or WebEx is not yet signed up. But in our television, you can download the APK file of that particular application and you can install through a pen drive and it will work. Only thing is that whatever the version of the file you are downloading that particular day, Zoom, let it be, only that version will be available. The automatic upgradation will not happen. If it is downloaded through the Play Store, you will have automatic update. Whenever there is update from the Teams or Zoom, that will get updated. Because you are downloading APK file and you are inserting it through a pen drive and installing it, that will not be automatically updated. But you can update maybe after 3 months, you can download one more new version and use it. By just adding a USB camera, you can access Zoom or Teams or WebEx in the display. This is one of the important features where the many customers are using it already. And to avoid a cost for the video conferencing. And on the hotel side, this has got the welcome logo, welcome video, and all the features what needed in the hotel segment. And on the retail side of it, the inputs change and the signage applications, power scheduling, remote control settings, all the settings are available. And there are a few free softwares also we provide along with it. We call it as Bravia Meeting Free, which has got certain features like, meeting room scheduling, or you can also schedule your signage applications also through the Bravia Meeting Signage Free app. There is one more app called Bravia Signage Free also. Through the Bravia Meeting Free, automatic input change. Through the just when you change the HDMI, automatically the input changes and the timer can be set on the display and automatically it can switch on and switch off. All these features. 8 o'clock, this corporate reception TV has to switch on. It will automatically scheduling also possible. And this is the Bravia Signage Free version also available. In the free version, you can put all your signage content in the pen drive and you can insert it into the television. You can schedule it also. What time, which content has to be played. In a loop playlist create panikla. You can create a playlist and you can just put it inside and you can schedule it also. You can create a playlist. What is the duration you want to give? Everything can be done in the television itself. முன்னாடி வந்த மாடல் எல்லாம் இந்த earlier versions you need to keep the pen drive all the time. Now you can just put in and you can push the content into the television and you can remove that pen drive also. So from inside storage, it will be playing on the loop as per your instruction, timing whatever you are giving. So this is the Bravia free signage app, we call it. And the paid version also available, which we will showcase you how does it works also. So and the display management are all available in the paid signage version. So we will explain you in a discussion after this. So maybe actually these features are also available in our signage. I will explain you later. So when it comes to maybe if you wanted to understand, because today our competitors Samsung or LG for that matter are very old players in the market in the signage side or in the display professional display side. We are the later entrant. Maybe I would say we are the last entrant into this business. And maybe you or your customers might have the nexus with those brands already because they were available, they are using it. So for you to have an understanding where we stand compared to the competitors in terms of our products. So when it comes to the 98 inches, so these are all the brands. Maybe it is a slightly bold comparison. Maybe QM series still available with Samsung, and I think in LG, I think they have gone to UMJ series, but the features remain the same. So everywhere we have got the better advantages. We have got the high brightness, and we have got the better color gamut, almost close to the DCI-P3, and the processing. Video processing 120 Hz also available, refresh rate also available. Because of it, you will not face any lag also. And XR processors are available, and it can go up to 1500 nits in the peak brightness. And in terms of the internal storage is also very, very high. So our 98-inch with the full array television, full array display technology, and with the XR processor, the amazing quality product. And we are fighting with these competitors, unfortunately, on the prices, but we are ready for the special prices also to give a better product, even on a discounted prices sometime when the customer is comparing with these other competitor products. There's a huge difference in terms of the quality. And in terms of brightness, when you compare with Samsung, maybe our current lineup, 30L series, we are fighting with QB because though they are having only 350 nits, majorly the QB selling in Samsung is high than the QM sales. The major sale happen on the QB side of it. So we are fighting our 440 nits 30L series with QB only. But of course, it can be compared with QM also. There is a 60 nits only the difference. But the one thing is that right from their BE till their QH, everything are Edge LED. But we are offering direct LED and full array LED. So, and QM will be compared with 35L. Yes. Yeah. And our B is at 40L. Yeah, someone was asking something. Can I go ahead? Any questions?
No, sir. I can continue.
Yeah. And with the 40L series, of course, we have got 700 nits, and where we have got a high haze percentage as well. And this is a comparison between Sony and the major player in the market, Samsung. They operate majorly with QB, and for 24/7 operations, they are operating with their QM, and wherein they need a high brightness. So our B is at 30L. If you see, it is placed in between QM and QB. In terms of quality, display technology, this is still better. Features are more, but in terms of brightness, it plays in between these two. This is also signage display. So this is where the placement happens, product placement happens. And this is how the haze percentage is compared. Our 40L has got a 47%, wherein their higher end versions have got 25%. And they have got their own Tizen voice. And definitely you must be knowing about the other products which we are selling. So for you to understand where we stand or where we position our product in the market. And with LG, yes, of course, the similar level of comparison is there with the 330 nits model. We are fighting with our 30L, and they do have a 500 nits model and 700 nits model. And this is a comparison for you in terms of the even they also have got maximum up to 28% of a haze in their UH series. And the brightness wise, yes, we are again, because we are placed at 440 nits, we have to fight with their UL series. Now I think the UQ or UH, some new series they have launched. So this is up to the, what you say, professional product side of it. And I would like to now discuss about the signage, how we are using our signage in the retail environment, even the reception areas, wherever it is required. So far, any question with this discussion, with this presentation? You can feel free to ask me.
No, sir. Can go ahead.
Any partners, any questions? Maybe now we will do one thing. We will just show. I mean, I think somebody was raising a voice.
Sir,
Any
small. Hello.
Yeah. Yes.
Ramnath, sir. Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
all our models are 24/7, but competition is giving 18 hours
16
kind of
bar 7.
model. 16/7.
Okay.
The price difference is becoming a major challenge. As you know, we are worked in so many cases actually.
Correct.
So, any plan to bring some models which will have a direct competition with Samsung and LG? Because LG is the lowest actually in this category actually. The price products which
I understand. I got your question. In fact, we have got the wonderful announcement for you today. And with our current lineup, with the TL series itself now, we are fighting with QB and QM in between. For example, in terms of Samsung, for an example I'm taking, okay?
Yeah.
The price difference is not very big. It is not very big today, I would say, for the quality of the product what we offer. And I understand. I completely agree with you. I understand that there are customers still. They are looking at the price factor as also when it comes to purchase.
Because they are comparing it to like normal TVs. They are doing what it is like actually what is called hospitality series and all that. Have that kind of series actually. There's a lot of confusion in the market actually. Because they are putting it as a normal TV actually, whereas our focus is on different. It's a signage product actually. That's the whole thing.
Understood. Now, actually, that's what I was just telling you today. I have got an announcement. So we are also going to launch our 16/7 models in the market. In fact, once again, that is what the announcement I was just telling you. Today we will be showcasing.
I jumped.
Already. No. It is good that, sir, நீங்க கேட்காம நான் கொடுத்து என்ன சார் பிரயோஜனம்? நீங்க எதிர்பார்க்கும் போது கொடுக்கிறது என்ன சார் சந்தோஷம்? Is the screen visible?
Yeah.
No, I think I have not shared it. Let
No,
me just
screen.
share this. Yeah. No. Is the screen visible?
Yes.
No, yeah.
Today, Sony India has given the press release in India market that we are officially launching our EZ20L series, which are 16/7 350 nits.
Okay.
You are going to see Sony in an aggressive manner that you have ever have not seen Sony with this kind of a products and price point. We also understand the India market is very big, and we are also these are all the models which we will be having, sir. EZ20L series, we will have 43 to 85 inches, 43, 50, 55, 65, 85 inches. I will talk about this lineup also. Maybe before that, I thought I will end up with this EZ20L series so that you all will have a very positive vibe when you're concluding this session. Before that, I will do one thing. We will just quickly look at the signage part of it, and we will get back to this 20L discussion. What are the advantages? What are the features? And where are we standing? And how are we going to take our how are we planning our business strategy? See, price is one thing, sir. Product is one, price is one. And how do you want to take the battle is also important. I mean, whoever is connected in this meeting, I would like to submit very humbly, make my submission. Though we have an aggressive product, though we have a better product going to come into the market now, I all request you to make a good profit with Sony. Because I am very confident, and from day one, I feel very strongly that We are in this business, you are all in this business for making profits. And of course, the market of professional display have gone very dirty. Even for 500,000 rupees also, there are sales happening. So we wanted to make ourselves very clear, and we do not want to go and work with everyone. We wanted to make a very, very niche set of partners, those who are aligning with Sony, and we will be working with them, and we will ensure the profitability. See, if you recall, some of you from the IT sector also available today for the meeting, connected in this session. If you recall our Vio business, Sony Vio business, when HP and Lenovo was, another brand, Dell was dominating the market, Sony was actually coming to the market. But Sony was very costly, Sony Vio laptops. But Sony made a price correction in terms of coming into the mainstream business. Today, if you see, we are only in the 30L series and we are only talking about 440 nits and about 24/7. The market is for that is only about 15% in India. 15-20% maximum 24/7 operation market size as a size. But still we are fighting with the balance 80% of the market with only with 24/7 model. But the same way, I wanted to just to connect these two incidents with you. If you see when Sony Vio was a very big successful business for us, when Sony Vio launched at a very competitive price in the market price, or I would say the market ongoing price of a competitor, immediately Sony gained that share. We were sometimes all India #1 also in a few months, or we were #2 to HP also in few months in that time when Sony Vio was selling. But that time also Sony maintained very healthy margin at all levels, for the company, for the distributor, for the dealers, and the quality solution and product to the customer. So at all that hygiene we wanted to maintain. Hello? Even in our
display I just want to confirm.
No, I have not displayed. I'm not displaying. I'm just telling you how do we want to take the business towards further, sir. Actually,
sure.
Even we are going to be aggressive. We wanted to ensure the healthy profitability to the channel community, so that we no need to push you, that automatically the interest will come to you to promote the product, and that is our duty to ensure that the case lockings or the competition is kept very healthy in the market, or the price erosion is not happening. These are all the steps that Sony would love to take, and we that is our strength also. So we ensure and assure you, all of you people in the meeting, that Sony association with Sony definitely will be a profitable association for all of you. So I will definitely talk to you about our very attractively priced and very aggressive EZ20L series model, which today we made the announcement in India market. Already the press release is out in news papers and online channels. Today we will be opening and discussing about the product with you also. Before that, we will quickly touch upon the signage solution, because we have got another only 20-25 minutes left, because I wanted to have 5-10 minutes question and answer session also. Quickly, I'll show you what is the signage solution that we have got. Alan, can you just show the screen? Are you sharing the screen? Yeah. See, we have got a Bravia signage solution. So wherein I'll just quickly tell you about the solution. So we have got our own paid free version. Free version, you cannot push the content lively. You have to push the content through a pen drive. Once you store it inside the storage, then you can design all this kind of a scheduling, everything you can do. But when it comes to the paid version, you can throw content from any of the server or from the PC within the same network. So in the server signage software, you will have to install the software in the server or in the laptop, which is coming free of cost. For the license key, which you will be putting into the television, there will be a key that you will be buying from Sony, the license key. Then automatically it will be paired. In that, you can do the schedule. Delivery can be scheduled. You can create a playlist. You can have a content library. First, Alan, go to display management. Go to display management. So you can add number of televisions here. You can give the name. You can their IP address will be displayed. Once it is there paired in your network, you can have multiple displays. You can create a grouping also. For example, you have 10 displays. Each display you can send a separate content also. You can give 5 display one content, 5 display one content also. You can give 10 display different content also. The grouping can be done.
You can do naming.
You can also edit the name. For example, reception, restaurant, or cafeteria, or meeting room 1, meeting room 2, you can also.
Grouping in the sense like in one floor, if you have 10 TVs, you can like first floor TV1, first floor TV2 as a group 1, and group 2 you can have a separate TV like group second floor TV1 like, and you can play different contents like group 1 you can play one content, group 2 you can play one content, where we have a scheduled delivery. You can here you can go there and you can schedule the delivery, like you can edit the schedule like the days of the week when you want to play, and the timing also can be given, and which playlist can be played. I have multiple playlists which is already created here. You can select the playlist and you can save and you can publish it. This is how it works actually. This is a scheduled delivery option. Next, we have something called interrupt delivery option. It means, for example, we have a scheduled delivery running in office, a big office. Suddenly our MD, your MD is coming into the office. You want to give any announcement or any birthday announcement should be given inside. You can do an interrupt delivery and you can push content from the reception. You can push content. The whole building can get the contents. So this is what, and this is called playlist, where you can create a playlist. For example, and for create a new playlist, I can go here. I will put a new playlist, and then I can select it. I can select it from the content library. In my content library, these are the content which I've already kept it inside. We can drag and drop the contents inside our content library. How we are drag and drop? This is the content library tab where we have to drag and drop the files. Whatever files we have, you have to drag and drop here. From this contents, we can create a playlist. For example, in a hospital, morning hours, some 10 doctors are coming. You can have a 10 doctors list of images or videos, something, and you can create a playlist name in the morning session, evening session, like that. And we have something called content creation. We have 15 layouts already designed in this one. You cannot customize the layout in our Sony Training software. In this one, you can do different layouts can be created. So multiple inputs like HDMI input also can be chosen. URL also can be played, images also, and video. All 4 can also be played here. So these things are there. And in display management, as Natarajan said, you can connect up to 600 TVs in one server. It means one laptop, you can control up to 600 TVs. But per TV, you have to buy license. That is different. And again, we have event logs also. So for example, you have a established network. If you want to take a log, how many hours that ads are played, or is there any error in some TVs? And you can do a setting also. If some TV is not working, you can give your email ID and you'll get a notification. Floor 2, second TV is not playing. Then you'll get a notification. You can send someone and you can correct that also. All these options are available here.
Okay, thanks, Alan, for this. And share that screen also. See, this is our Sony license. Okay, Sony Bravia signage license, and we also have got a partnership with. What are you opening? Open. Yeah, we have got a content management solution from Zeta Minds with our strategic partner. They have got a very extensive version of the signage. So for whatever the features which we have shown for the professional Bravia signage, that was limited. But if you want to have a very extensive kind of application and you want to have a displays in a different location, something will be there in Madurai, something will be there in Coimbatore, one display will be in Chromepet, one display will be in Vadapalani. No need to worry. Just you have to put it on the internet. No need to be on the same network also. Just you have to give the internet to the display. This content management software playlist, I mean, what you say, their media player will be available in the Play Store. Just to download and open it. There will be code will be opening in the television. Just go to the ad display now, dashboard. So you just have to simply have to put in the key. Then the display will be coming to your control simply. So where you have got automatic content rotation. See, this is where you have to enter the key which is displayed on the display. Then the complete control will come here. The display can be anywhere in the world. Just it has to be connected to the network. Any public network also is okay. And for Sony, for security reason, we do not allow for the outside network display content pushing. But with this software, it is possible. And media maintenance, management, playlist scheduling, and they have also have got this built-in apps. For example, some customers have got Microsoft Power BI in their production line. Go to the apps. Apps. So they have got Power BI also into this. That reports can come in here, and you can do a live streaming also. YouTube link also can be given. You can make a ticker text also. When there is a display going there, you can give a ticker text also on that. And also you can see lively what is displayed on the display in this application, in this software. Lively on any TV, whether first they can see whether the TV is connected or not connected, synced or not synced. If it is synced, what is currently displaying on the TV also you can see in a mini window like this. The live TV will be displayed here. So these kind of features are available, and you can manage layouts. You can customize. There are some preset layouts also, and you can customize on your own also. ஒரு டிஸ்பிளேல ஒரு டிவில 25%க்கு என்ன டிஸ்ப்ளே வரணும்? You just try to go to the actual pro version. Okay.
No, I have to go to the TV.
Okay. So yeah. So you can what you say? You can decide in a 75-inch television. Left side la top la I want to have some video. Right side I want to have some image. Kila I want to have a ticker text. So you can customize the what you say layout also. You just mention add layout. Click add layout. Just do this now. Make custom layout. These are all the now you can put the, let's see, this 3, 1, 2, 3. You can put all content for all 3. So the same way you can also customize this. Instead of 3, you can make it 4, or you can make it 6, or you can make it first portion bigger, second portion smaller. All these features are available. This is our third-party Sony certified service from Zeta Minds. We are partnered with them. So these two options are available with Sony for your signage applications. I think we are running short of time. Yes.
When to choose? What is the difference between these two? The one which Sony is offering and this one, Zeta Minds.
One is the cost. Okay. Second one is the usage of the customer. The customer is just simply, I wanted to push contents, just some images and videos and URLs. I wanted to push it, then this is my requirement. Sony signage software is well and good. But if the customer wants to have a multiple features, and it is going to be a retail company, or if it is going to be a very good big company wherein their signage usage is going to be heavy, I would suggest you can go with Zeta Minds, where the usage for user friendliness and where they are going to have it in the multiple locations, this and all can be done. But this works on a yearly license basis. The Zeta Mind software has got a yearly license cost, and Sony has got one-time lifetime cost. Okay, so like this, you can put a percentage ratio and you can create a layout for you. Okay, Alan, so I think we have given the basic idea about it, and we have to now rush on. We have another 15 minutes time. I will conclude in 5-6 minutes about the 20L series. Okay, I will just take the screen. Yes. So is the screen visible now from my side?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I cannot make. Yeah, so now we are launching officially our EZ20L series. Already 43 50 inches stocks have landed in Chennai. And in fact, we are all importing all these models from our Malaysia factory only. All the professional display panels are manufactured in Malaysia completely. We are importing as a finished good. So 43 50 inches has already landed in India. Chennai is our central warehouse for this professional Bravia display. And because it's close to the Malaysian, we are importing here. And 55 65 is coming in another 4-5 days. Maybe from after Pongal, we should be having these models. And if you have any cases wherein you wanted to quote, you feel 30L, 40L may not be able to fit in, and you wanted to have a comparison with a competitor in terms of pricing, and if you feel the price is going to be the deciding factor, definitely you can position this model also. And what we have in this 20L series model to offer, this is basically 16/7 operation, 350 nits brightness, wide viewing angle, same 178, and 16/7 operations as I told you, and the sustainability part of it, the remaining same as our regular displays. And we have sizes not in 85 in India. We are not launching the EZ20 series in 85 inches. Right from 43 to 75, we are going to launch in India. 43, 50, 55, 65, 75. Our 85 still we will continue to sell our EZ20L, 30L only. But for all other model, you will have two choices. 43 la vandu ungalku 20L irukum, 30L irukum. 50, 20L also will be there, 30L. So 20L and 30L will parallelly run. This is an international brochure, so India brochure is not yet customized. That's why I'm showing this to you. So we will have only 87 up to size up to 75 inches, and this is got the same features like.
Demo
yes,
yes. ES20.
Yes, we will offer. We will get you the demo units. If some of the dealers SIs wanted to have a demo at their office to showcase to their customers permanently, we can give a demo discount also. Otherwise, our distributor will have a demo. They can also show you. You can bring in to their Texans office also, and they can show where there will be no company name. You can show them. If not, if your customer is a big corporate where they have to see the product on their place, if you wanted to take it, and our distributor will support you in the demo activities as well. And this also I've got 4K HDR and X1 processor, AirPlay, Chromecast built in. Wide viewing angle remains the same. IP control and RS232. Bravia signage free option is also available in the same as it is available in 30L. This is also landscape portrait tilt mode supported. And few features, basic features, which HDMI wake up on signal, power scheduling, and initial input source selection, and display remote control. Anyway, these are all the screen mirroring. Again, these two features we are offering. See, off late, we are not strongly recommending the regular screen mirroring wherein you are just simply going and connecting to a wireless display. That has got a lot of challenges. If the network is not, strength is not good, and bandwidth is not good, and if the file size which you are playing is going to be higher, there is a lot of issues and confusions are coming. So we recommend any of the customer to use a Chromecast and AirPlay if it is an Apple device, iOS device. Just you have to go to Google Chrome. You have to just tap this 3 vertical button, and you just have to do cast.
More tools, More tools.
More tools, huh?
Kila.
Yes. It is not there. Casting should be here only.
Sorry, save and share, sir.
Save and share. See, you can do this simply. You can do the casting. If the display and your laptop is in the same network, simply the data will be thrown. And installation as a size 85, please forget it. We have only 43 to 75 in this model. 350 nits. We are also waiting. Our sales team also was giving this feedback constantly to our management. Sir, we are only fighting with 440 nits and 24/7. The market is big in the 350 nits market because the corporate has already accepted 350 nits, and the entire segment is going on. Only 15% sale is happening on 24/7. And finally, we have also taken a very aggressive call. Our management also have taken this seriously. And we have now launched the 16/7 operational models also into the market. With this, I'm telling you now, the story of professional display sale in India, at least for that matter, even on worldwide also, will be redefined, rewritten. You can see when I am making such a statement, and we are going to be so aggressive. And we will definitely extend all our support in terms of technical supports, demo support, after sales support, and the product, of course, is going to be the best among the competition also, because in terms of picture quality, when Sony, as I was telling you in Vio time, now Sony coming to the affordable mainstream business, automatically the share is bound to come. Now that is the story. So we want all of you to be a part of this journey. We want all of you to be a part of the journey, and we want to ensure from our side, Sony side, a very healthy hygiene and working and ethical environment for you. So that much we can assure you, because most of you are working very closely with us on a regular basis. You know our support, what kind of a support Sony extends. So we expect your support in making this EZ20L as well as 30L series a very grand successful business for Sony. And we will also ensure the same from our side. And that's it from my side. I think we can move on to the, what is it, the Q&A session.